Hey guys, this is Asif and you are watching the Tech Keeper channel, and I have got this microphone from JBL CSLM20, and it can be used with both the smartphones and digital cameras, and there are other use cases as well. But let's see what you get inside the box, then we'll talk about it. So this is a microphone from JBL, and since I've already opened the package, I had to repackage it so that I can show it to you guys in front of the camera. So when you open this box, you get this pouch which is used for carrying the microphone if you are going out, for easy organization. And we have this microphone. I'm already using it, but to show you guys I just put it back there. So this is the microphone. We'll check it out in a moment. Let's see what else you get with the microphone. So this is silica. You have to throw it away, you don't have to eat it, and it is just there to keep things dry. So I'll keep it aside and see what else you get. So you get a wind cap mic. In other box you get an additional microphone cap. You also get an additional clip in case this one, the one that is on the microphone, gets damaged somehow. And then you also get a converter. So this one has 3 rings. It can directly be plugged into your smartphone or laptop, and if you want to use it with digital cameras, you will have to use this adapter. Put it like this and then you will be able to use it with smartphone. We'll check out the quality in a moment. Okay, so I have been using this JBL microphone from last few weeks, and so far it is great for my use case because it's a multi-purpose microphone. It is not so long, the wire is not so long, it is not so big like my Blue Yeti that is on my desk. I cannot carry it anywhere. I have got a shotgun mic which is appropriate with digital cameras. I've got a lapel microphone from Boya which has a long cable, really long cable, 20 feet long cable, and it is always tangled. So if I have to use it every day, I have to untangle it, and if I have to carry it around, it is quite a task to carry this Boya MM microphone. So this one is easy to carry because it is small, the wire is not long, it is long enough to be used with smartphones and digital cameras, and it is pretty much like an earphone, wired earphone, but it is better than the microphone on the earphone is not that great. The microphone on this one is pretty high quality. So if you want to enhance your voice while attending meetings and Zoom calls and maybe classes, online classes, then this microphone is better than the microphone on wired earphones. In that use case, this is a must buy because it also has got a monitoring earphone, one ear earphone, so you can listen to all the people talking. So it is pretty much like an earphone, but the focus is more on the audio part, on the microphone rather than the earphones. There is another use case of creating videos using your smartphone. In that case also this is pretty good because the wire is not long enough and you can carry it like in wired earphone in your pocket. If you have Boya MM1, it is going to be a task to carry this one, tangle, untangle, it takes a lot of time, while this one does not take a lot of time. But for some reason this JBL microphone does not work with iPhone. I tried it with my iPhone 12 Pro Max, but it does not work. So it does not work with iPhones. If you have got Android one, you still will have to buy an adapter, a USB Type-C adapter, because most of the high quality flagship Android smartphones are not equipped with 3.5 mm audio jack anymore. There are some smartphones and if you have got a smartphone which has got audio jack, you can use it directly. Else you will have to buy something like this, a type C to 3.5 audio jack converter. Now I have compared these both, the wired earphones which has got microphone and the JBL microphone. So you can check out the difference between the audio quality from these if you want to use it with Zoom calls and classes and stuff like that. This is an audio sample recorded using the JBL microphone on smartphone. You can check out the difference in the quality of the audio. This is an audio sample recorded using the microphone on wired earphones, and you can check the difference between the audio quality from this one with the audio quality from the JBL microphone. And if you want to use this microphone for creating content on your smartphone, then only Android works. And if you want to use it with your digital cameras, be sure to use this adapter. And even then, there are many use cases where the Boya microphone will be more appropriate. And by the way, this one works for iPhone. So if you're looking for a microphone for your iPhone, you can go for this Boya M1. This works well. It has a long cable, a bit of a task, but it will work for iPhone. Also works for digital cameras nicely. Better than this because again, long cable gives you more options, more flexibility, not this one. So it is mainly for smartphones. There is a monitoring, but it does not work when you use this microphone with digital cameras. So I don't see the point of buying this specifically for digital cameras. So that's it. I'll put the link of this product in the description of this video. Also the other products that I'm using, like the Boya one, which I recommend for iPhone as well as digital cameras. You'll find the link in the description, and I guess this is it in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.